All right, so we are gonna do a soft wax underarm application on short, coarse hair. Yeah, it's a good length, so you've been growing that out for how long? A week? Okay, so our model's been growing out this hair for a week. We're gonna do a pretty fast wax application here. And so I'm applying oil to the underarm. I'm actually gonna do her other underarm too. Get that in there. She's very petite. She actually doesn't have a lot of surface area right there. So I'm gonna grab a couple wax strips and I'm dipping my wax into my pot. And I'm gonna work from this side. I'm gonna apply in the direction of the hair growth right here and the direction of the hair growth right here. So this should be a pretty fast wax. There's probably gonna be a little cleanup. Her hair is still a little on the short side. So for speed waxing, I can actually put my wax stick right here, fold it over so I don't get it on anything. Now don't forget the direction of the hair growth. In this application, I am applying wax in the direction of the hair growth. I'm gonna stretch her skin out right here. Apply the wax strip, just kind of edging it where it changes direction there. Pull that skin taut and lift up. Beautiful. I'm gonna fold over my wax strip. I'm gonna stretch the skin before I apply the cotton cloth, which you can get available on my website, elizabethsteffen.com. Press that in there good, pull really good. All right, so on that note, so if you guys, obviously you're not gonna see it in the video, but she didn't come in with a bra on today. So I just have a towel on her. It has like pulled down. Well, I pulled the towel away. Well, real life of a waxer right there. Beautiful. So the hair came up great. There is some hairs that I'm gonna tweeze out on you. So I'm gonna grab my tweezers real quick. And guys, that was a quick little demonstration of an underarm wax. And I'm just gonna do the same on her other side. So for tweezing, I like to pull that skin super taut. She's probably feeling it. I can feel them snapping a little bit. Yeah, there we go. That is it.